Hi, my name's Andy Cease, Director of Product Marketing for our payment solutions at Entrust. I'm coming to you today from Las Vegas at Money 2020, where we're sponsoring the top drone experience.
This is the world's state-of-the-art drone pilot simulation training. The best drone pilots are given the opportunity to do a drone race time trial.
Here we are at the Entrust Sky Lounge, where we're running 2 live demos of our latest and greatest payment enablement technology.
Entrust is reinventing digital card issuance with one single integration already pre-integrated with your card systems and the main mobile banking applications of the market. You can request a card, activate a card, push to wallets, securely display, all that at a fingertip within your own bank application.
We also have a place to relax, recharge with refreshments, a private meeting room, and an opportunity to take home a drone of your own.
It's the first time I've used VR before.
It was very fun, very fun.
Go big or go home. I'll definitely be back again. It was a lot of fun.